Alright guys, so like we said in the previous video, welcome back by the way, we got our adapter piece, the oil pressure adapter piece with some plugs there. And then we're going to be doing that little spot. It's probably a little dark here to see, but it's right there. We're going to be switching this off and putting this pressure on here. So this is called a oil pressure T with NPT 18 females, I guess they say. So, alright, let's get going. Piece there. There we go. Alright, so we got the new piece here, and then this is the pressure gauge piece that's going to be going in one of these holes here. Just trying to figure that out real quick. Hopefully we can get it on this hole here. Let's see. We got the connection there, the little T adapter with the sensor for the gauge, and then the OEM's sensor return that's there. So we're going to check it out, turn on the car, make sure there's no leaks, and then we'll go from there. And we got the box in, finally. Fortunately, well, it wasn't UPS that found it. It was it got delivered to one of my neighbors, and they came by this morning and dropped it off. So we're gonna do a quick little unboxing of little custom pods we got here. Nice. Here it is. You can see it. Nice little pod here. We'll be installing it today. See how it fits. Alright, this is where we're at. So I got my pod attached to there. I'm waiting to put it in just to make sure everything's working good. I ran my power wire to the, I think it's called the what is it? Something fuse, insert fuse or something like that. And then I'm about to run my dimmer wire and my ground to the light here. Just gotta figure out which wires to crimp into, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, everything should be wired up. I wired the stuff to the light switch. So this should be my first time turning it on with y'all. So if I did everything right and everything's wired appropriately, they should turn on. Here we go. Maybe I gotta turn it on. Nope. Oh, let's troubleshoot. I did something wrong. Alright guys, so I did some troubleshooting. And get the keys real quick. Sorry. And if what I found was accurate, it should work now. Here we go. Yeah, we're in business. Woo. Things look nice. Perfect. Alright, we'll get them set up. Alright, here we go, all installed. Just gonna make sure all the gauges and everything is working good, and we'll go from there. Nice little startup, I like that. Beautiful. We got oil pressure, we got boost, really good. Alright guys, well that's kind of, just gotta clean up all the mess, get all the wires and everything still going on the bottom, clean it up, put it up pretty good, but we're done with the install. Man, these are nice. Alright guys, see you next time.